Good morning. Before I continue, let me welcome the greeters and collectors of Nuestra Señora de Guia Parish in Magallanes, Cavite. Kayo po ba yung mga naka-blue? Welcome po sa Manila Cathedral. Anong oras kayo umalis ng Magallanes? 4. Parang simbang gabi, nagpa-practice na kayo sa simbang gabi. Okay, so welcome din po sa mga ibang pilgrims na nagpunta ngayon sa Manila Cathedral. What does this gospel, a very short one, try to teach us? Perhaps one of these is to be happy for the blessing that others receive. To be happy for the blessings that others receive. Here is a woman who shouted at Jesus and said, "Blessed is the womb that carried you and the breasts at which you nursed." Pinagpala ang babaeng nagdala sa iyo sa kanyang sinapupunan at nagpasuso. It was her way of praising the mother of Jesus. It was her way of saying, "You are blessed and I am happy for you." Can we do that? To be happy for the blessings that others receive? Kapag ang isang kasama sa opisina ay na-promote, natutuwa ba tayo? Wow, you deserve it. Kapag ang isa ay nagbabago, nagkakaroon ng change in his personality or character, he becomes a better version of himself, are we happy? I'm happy for you. Kapag ang isa ay nagtatagumpay sa kanyang pagpupursigi, natutuwa ba tayo? That was the character demonstrated by the woman. She was happy for the blessings that others receive. Kaya magandang suriin din natin ang ating mga sarili. At ang tanong ay ito, kung hindi, bakit? Bakit hindi tayo nagiging masaya kapag ang isa ay nagtatagumpay? Bakit hindi tayo nagiging masaya kapag ang isa ay pinagpapala? Well, ang daming dahilan. There are so many reasons why sometimes we are not happy for the blessings of others. One is we are not aware of the blessings of others. Hindi tayo observant. Insensitive tayo kuminsan. Hindi natin nakikita yung tagumpay na binibigay sa ating kapwa. And so, the challenge here is to be sensitive. To be sensitive. To be aware of what is happening around you. Huwag ka lang dito sa sarili mo nakaikot. Sariling mundo. Hindi. Buksan natin ang ating mundo at papasukin ang iba upang sa ganon maging bahagi din tayo ng kanilang buhay. That is the first. Be observant. Pag ang anak ninyo umuwi, dala ang kanyang report card at ang taas ng grade, observe it. Read it. Read the card. And say, "Anak, very good." Yun na, tapos na doon. Very good, congratulations. Huwag niyong dadagdagan pa na, kuyang mo nga, mas mataas pang grade kaysa sa iyo eh. No, wala na yun. No. Okay, basta sabihin niyo, very good, congratulations. Because you recognize the effort that your kid showed. Kasi minsan mga magulang may tendency to compare children. Ay, yung kuya mo mas mataas ang grade yan, no? Hindi nga bumababa sa 95. Hindi. Observe the struggle, the desire to excel. That's one. We are not so observant. Second, why are we not happy when others are blessed? Inggit. Yan, inggit. Inggit. Envy. Na-promote na naman, no? Samantalang ako, no, I've been struggling all my life. Yun, inggit. Huwag tayo maging mainggitin. Sapagkat ang Diyos, binibigyan tayo ng pagpapala. Kanya-kanya, each to his own. Be happy for what you've got and be happy for what others have received. So let us be like this woman in the gospel, happy for the blessings that others receive. Amen.